Hi guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a quick and easy breast cancer awareness mug gift. I got my mammogram today, and here's my little tag here. And when I left, they had a little display at the imaging center. They had, you can get, like they said, you can get one thing. You can get an ink pen or some sanitizer. Everything was in pink. And normally I go to Dollar Tree. They normally have a big display. Oh, not a big, but a nice festive display every year. But when I went there, I only saw a few things. And the lady told me, she says, I'm so glad you got those because I just put those out. Okay, so what I found, these are the items that I'm going to put in my little gift here. Is a journal. Those that follow me know that I like journals a lot. And it says, be joyful always. We're going to put that in there. Dollar Tree, they did have these ink pens. These are ball ink pens. And they have the breast cancer awareness, the little ribbon on those. So these are 10 ink pens. So I'm going to use one of those. I'm going to use this foot lotion. And excuse my appearance. I went to get my mammogram today, like I said earlier, and they said like don't use any lotions or deodorant or anything. So I just like put on no makeup. So today I'm just going to have a day, no makeup, no extra chemicals on my body. Okay, so that's why I'm looking probably kind of washed out. Okay, then socks. These came together in a gift set. I got this beautiful mug here. It says, pink is more than just a pretty color. It's a pretty big size too. So all I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. That's all we need. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the journal, just wrap it in there like that. Put some shred. Shred in there. Let's see if I'll put the ink pen. There. And it's just a little gesture if you're giving away stuff or if you're at work. I know when I worked in corporate America, I was always like on the Sunshine Committee or, doing things to, make sure people in the office knew what was going on in the world. So if you want to have a little display at your job, these are, or just give or sell them. Let's see. Turn that around. That was pretty centered. Okay, so I just wrap the socks around the lotion. Just show as much of the lotion as possible. Okay. Keep that. That's all this. We got a journal, an ink pen, socks, and some lotion, and a beautiful mug. Now, normally if I do a mug, I want to put a drink in there, but I didn't see any, I guess you can put some tea. If you can find a space to put maybe a couple bags of tea or herbal tea or something in there. Okay, so let's see. If I can slip this in this bag here. I'm going to take this pen. The way I had the ink pen kind of interfered with me being able to tie tie up the bag. Do something like that. We're trying to keep it quick and cute. Let's see, I have this bow, little teensy little bow, or we can use my Posh bow. See if we can get that. It was so crazy at the hospital. I mean, just getting in there, trying to park was crazy. See if I can find, I need a twist tie. Get these bags from Amazon. They do come with a twist tie, pretty gold one, but I'll have to dig for it, so just want to give you guys a little inspiration. Okay, so, and then you can just take this. Now, if you want to make it bigger, you can take this little thing and put it in a bigger basket and add like slippers and just more stuff. I'll get it together. This is what gift basket making is. I'm creating this as I go. Right in front of you guys. Where did that little thing go? Or you can take tape, some clear tape, and tape that closed. If you know someone that's in assisted living or survivor, a lot of times they don't want to see all that logo stuff. But you know, I know a lot of offices and people are having, in the healthcare system, they'll have little lunches, and at least throughout the month, just do something to recognize, you know, breast cancer awareness. So if you want to just, if you're that person that creates gifts, you know, you just want to honor someone that's in your office or whatever, okay, then like these little corners here. Let's see, do I have any tape? And that doesn't break the bank. You got a journal, and everything in here is so useful. You got a cup. You can have that cup forever. You got a journal, comfy socks, a little lotion for your feet, an ink pen. You know, that's all it takes to be a little thoughtful. It doesn't take a whole lot. Okay, there's no tape right here. And I wanted to make this quick for you guys, but like these little corners, take your tape those down, and there you have a cute little breast cancer awareness mug gift. All right, guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today, and I want to bring awareness to breast cancer awareness. I had my exam today, and you know, and the scans that I saw, you know, I was peeping, you know, looking. So, you know, everything looked okay from my untrained eye. You know, I could see all the tissues in there, and I didn't see anything. But, you know, you never know. If something's detected, you know, I'll find out in a few days. But just want to encourage you guys, if you haven't got your mammogram, I encourage you to do so. And this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So when you go, like they have like little snacks, and they give you a giveaway. So this is a good time. You know, you can go and, you know, come out with a little something extra. All right. So they have these pins at the Dollar Tree. You get 10. Cute little mug. They have the scarf, but I didn't get the scarf. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. If you're just new dropping by, I welcome you to subscribe if you like my vibe and my current taste, my current Posh partners. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. All right. So don't forget to like this video. If you have a comment, hit the write something in the comments and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, Mom. Don't talk about my dirty kitchen. I've been busy doing a bunch of stuff. Got this stuff from Dollar Tree. All right. Bye, guys.